Back on.
This is an instructional video on how to replace HP Pavilion dv6000's screen, or the screen for the laptop. First, you're gonna remove all the rubber pieces up here. You got 4 rubber pieces up here and 2 down here on the bottom. You're gonna remove those and make sure you got yourself a Phillips head, tiny Phillips head screwdriver, and you're gonna remove the 4 screws up top and the 2 screws down on the bottom. And you're gonna take and remove this plastic around the screen. It should pop right off for you fairly easy, like so. And then you're going to remove 4 tiny screws on the side, on the left and the right of the screen. And after you've done that, you should be able, and then you want to remove this 2-prong plug-in down here on the bottom, and then pull that down. Should remove fairly easy. And you're going to remove the yellow tape on the back of your screen, and you're going to remove little clear tape that's holding this in, and it's just a plug that should pop right out and unplug fairly easy like that. And there you go. Your broken screen is removed. Now we're gonna install. You got everything going right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You got too many things in your hand there now.
Now we're gonna install the new screen. I've got you might have a plastic covering on the front. You can remove that. If I can get this masking tape. Alright. Alright, are you getting everything? Like the whole picture?
Yeah.
You sure you're not too close?
No, I've got the whole picture. Look.
I know, but you sure you're not too close or nothing? Well, the instructions said to hold the camera stationary.
Alright.
So try not to move it around too much. Like, just just step back and try to get the whole thing. Alright, here's my new screen. Now I'm gonna just go over, do the steps that I just did, only backwards. We're gonna plug in this plug in. Like so. There we go. Place that tape. Put back in your 4 screws on the sides of your screen.
You haven't got anything but your t-shirt now.
Yeah, I know. Try to step back.
Oh, okay.
Just step back over here
Right.
to the right a little
Yeah.
bit. So I don't have to take it all apart and redo the video. Because it's not a very good one. It's got to be a good video too. They said that wanted the camera stationary, you know.
Yeah.
So I just wanted you to position yourself to where, you know, I had told you to stand back there when I was doing it, but
Yeah, this is going to work.
let's see. Bitch. Alright, this part's a little difficult. This thing. Difficult. This part is hard. Getting the screws out is a lot easier than getting the screws in.
You have to get a good alignment on the hole.
Yeah. Wow. Alright.
We've been recording for over 10 minutes.
Really? Alright. Yeah, well. I really don't see how this can be done in 10 minutes anyways.
Probably use a little awl to line those holes up with. You know what an awl is? It looks like an ice pick. It's a tool that looks like an ice pick. It's thin, got a thin head on it. Probably line those holes up a little easier than with your fingers.
So have we really been here longer than 10 minutes?
Been there now 11 minutes and 25 seconds.
Damn.
No wonder I had to sit down.
I'll submit
12
a 15-minute video and they can just accept that.
Yeah.
Because I don't see how I can do this any faster. Alright. Now we got those screws back in. We got the screen pretty much installed. Let's I would turn it on right now, but I don't got the battery. Instructions say to have the battery out. So the battery's not in. It's not plugged in. So I'm gonna replace this plastic
Screen cover.
and that fits in like so. Fairly easy. I'll pops back in there. Place these top 4 screws first. Okay. These the only screw in so far. Anyways, yeah, instead of spending $1,100 to fix your computer screen, you can go to laptop.com and spend $100 and do it yourself. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. How many minutes is that video now?
15 minutes.
15.
Or 14:46.
Alright, well 20. You're only allowed to put on 20-minute videos on
Alright.
YouTube. So this will work fine. Anyways, you just replace those screws and replace your rubber pieces here, and
That's
you're all
15
set.
minutes now. 15 minutes and 7 seconds.
Alright, we can turn it off then. Just press
Press the thing.
the red button.